Willow S infant car seat. It's lightweight and easy to carry from car to stroller and back again. The Willow S is equipped with ClickTight technology for secure installation without the struggle. RightSize system provides adjustment points at the shoulders, hips, and between the legs to create your baby's perfect fit from the start. And the sun visor keeps them cool and covered while you're on the move. No more hand washing the cover and waiting for it to dry. The SafeWash cover is washer and dryer friendly, so cleanup is quick and easy. It's made with naturally flame-retardant fabrics for all the protection without all the chemicals. The removable infant insert creates a more comfortable and customized fit for tiny newborns. When installed without a base, the ReboundReduce carry handle acts as a stability bar when in the upright position. The Alpine base includes a steel ReboundReduce Stability Bar, which helps reduce movement in the event of a crash.